In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make omelette, 3 different ways using organic eggs, a lovely quick meal. I'm Fiona, welcome to Fiona's Food for Life. To make an omelette, I like to make a 2-egg omelette. I'm using organic Irish eggs and a little bit of seasoning. I'm just making a plain one right now. You want to make sure your pan gets nice and hot. I'm using a refined olive oil just to make sure it doesn't stick. A little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Whisk it up and then pour it onto your hot pan. So you want to spread the mixture all the way around your pan. Let it cook for a couple of seconds and then I slide in the edges like this and pour the egg mixture back over. It doesn't take too long to cook at all. You can add in some flavors at this stage, but this is just a plain one I'm making here today. So we're going to gather it up here, fold it into quarters, and then I would serve it with a nice side salad. Perfect, quick and easy meal to make. To make a nice flavored omelette, I like to make cheese and onion. So I have some red onion here, which I've cooked off at a lower heat. Then I'm going to use 2 organic Irish eggs, season it a little bit, and I'll turn up the pan so it's nice and hot. Give your eggs a gentle whisk and pour it on top. So then I move it around the pan. Once it starts to cook, you can then pull in the edges and let some of the liquid go back out over to cook like that. It doesn't take too long to cook. I like to use a grated Irish mature cheddar to flavour this one. And then to serve it up, I would fold it up into quarters, like so. And then serve it with a nice green salad. So there you go, a lovely quick and easy meal, cheese and onion omelette. To make one of my favourite breakfast omelettes, I'm going to use some cooked black pudding. So I have Clonakilty black pudding that I've already cooked. I'm going to pop in my 2 eggs, season them with a little bit of pepper and salt. Put a little bit of oil, I use a refined olive oil onto the hot pan. Whisk up the eggs and pour it onto the pan. Once it starts cooking, you can tilt the pan to move the eggs around. Then once it's like this, you can push it into the sides and let more of the egg mixture fall over to the edge. Then to flavour this one, I'll pop on some cooked, crumbled up black pudding. And I like to serve this with a half avocado and some kimchi, which I make in my fermentation demos. So once it's ready, you flip it over, like so. Oops. And there you have a nice quick meal in minutes. I hope you enjoyed that video. Now check out my video for sushi and sauerkraut. Please click on the link below to subscribe, like and comment. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.